and welcome to my channel. Today is a magical day where we're going to learn how to draw a wizard. This is
Expelliarmus. Sorry about that.
I had no idea you were a wizard.
Oh yeah, totally.
Anyway, let's get on to the drawing part.
Alakazam!
The first thing that you're going to draw is a line here, a line that goes up like that, a line that comes down like that, in order to make a triangle with a curved line here. The next thing that you're going to do is do a shape that curves out like that, and then goes like this. Then you do a little point here that goes back up, and a line here that also goes back up. You can add this part if you want. Then you can do this on the other side, but you don't have to do that. And you have this line that goes like that, and this shape that comes down. Then you add another one of these ears.
Looks pretty magical so far.
Then you have a shape that connects with this, goes like that, goes here, stops here, and then does the same thing on the other side. Then you do a big backward C shape. Two big circles here. Then, inside of those circles, you do two smaller circles inside of those circles, and even smaller circles inside of those ones. And then fill in around those circles. Then you have a line that goes up like that, down like that, and like that. Then make this part look like a beard for your wizard. Unless you don't want your wizard to have a beard. Then you just do a line that curves like that. And don't do this part. Then you do a little mouth. Curved line here.
Almost looks like a garden gnome.
A line here and a line here. And a long line that goes all the way down like that. Up again. A line that goes all the way down like that. Curves here. And two lines that go back up here. Then, for the hands, you can do a line like that, that, and that. Make sure there's 5. Do the same thing on the other side. That, and that.
Sometimes I forget humans have 5 fingers.
Then, at the bottom, you can curve this down with 2 lines that go like that, go all the way back up, and a line here. Then, if you want, you can do a little belt inside, 2 squares inside of each other, and the 2 lines on this side. Then, you do 2 lines like that, and then 2 lines like that. Last but not least,
Let's give this wizard something to walk on.
do 2 boot shapes in order to make his shoes. Then do a line at the very bottom, and if you want, you can even put a wand in his hand. That's all for the wizard. And that's all for this wizard. Thanks to my Grandpa George for the suggestion.
Desaturation.
Where'd all the color go?
Sorry, Coloris, restore it.
Inky. Anyway, you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com for more suggestions. Thanks. Bye.
And keep on drawing.